I'm currently on the student village, which is right next door, which has been great. It's very different to the apartment building when I was at USW, but it's very, very similar. Yeah, and it's just a nice little room that they've given me. I'm sharing this time with 3 other guys. And that has been an experience because I've had no ensuite bathroom. But I think I could say that we've done very well. We've all connected and we're all on the same course. So that's another bonus. But I would say to anyone that's, getting ready for that sort of thing, sharing a bathroom with other people, just, try your best to get along. And hopefully if you do, that's great. I've had bad experiences previously where I wasn't I didn't have to share the bathroom, but I had to share things like the kitchen. And it can be a nightmare, it can be. But just talk to each other. That's the best thing to do. Try and talk, yeah.